I want to talk about the speed of progress, look at this from historical point of view, and try to observe the possible future. What do you think about the speed of progress? How fast is it going? Very fast.
At the beginning.
At the beginning.
From the beginning.
Okay. I'll show you one example. For 50,000 years, we have created wheel and fire. And in 3,000 years, we have created trains, vehicles, cars, different type of internet, phones, connections, electricity, nuclear power, and of course we've opened the space. But all these little inventions, we all forget about it in compare with this great thing. Any ideas? What will it be?
Computer.
Computer?
iPad.
iPad. Okay. Ta-da! It is Zeva Aqua Tube. Do you know what it is? Yeah, first tube that can dissolve completely in water. How genius we must be to create such thing. What a crazy acceleration of progress. But going back to my example, look at this, 50,000 years, only wheel and fire, and 3,000 years and all these great inventions. Isn't it fast? I suppose it is super fast. Progress is gaining the pace exponentially because all the new development and invention are based on the most recent knowledges. So each new step, we're starting from the most recent developments. That's why the progress is gaining the pace exponentially. Now let's look deeper on progress of computers. First, the computer was the size approximately of half university, and price was $11 million. Now compare it with this one. Do you know how much ratio between size, productivity, and the price has evaluated in the last 40 years? Any ideas? 100? Maybe. Thousands.
100,000.
Billion. That's right. Billion times in the last 40 years. Not bad. Billion times. In the last 40 years, we come from the gigantic computer to a portable computer. And probably in the next 40 years, we will create the computer the size of corpuscular. It is the tiniest cell in our blood. I suppose that computers are one of the most progressing technology. And it will be, as the progress will be gaining the pace, the computers will be more and more powerful. They don't need to sleep, they can work without rest, they don't feel emotions or anger, and they have tremendous speed of progress. Probably they will be in the future more intelligent than humans. You can say, that's impossible. I was thinking the same. But then I understand it was only because I didn't look deep on these questions. And all these conclusions are based on facts, numbers, math, and theory of probability. It isn't just fantasy or a dream. It is mostly one of the most probable, it is likely one of the most probable scenario of a future. So let's think what will happen when the computers will become the highest intellect on the planet. There are two options. Will it be a nightmare where they seize the power and rule the world? And what will happen to us? It is a big question. I don't know about our future rights, freedom, don't know. From other hand, maybe we will use all power and intellect of computers to make our life better. And it will be a paradise where we will use all power and intellect of little, tiniest computers in our blood. Just imagine this. It's fantastic. No problems with calculations. Just think, okay, Google, and have all knowledges in your head and will be always with you. What is next? Probably we'll discover how to save, back up all our thoughts, all our emotions, and really wise thoughts. And everybody can use these knowledges. It's fantastic. And what will be the next? With power of highest intellect and computers, we can be immortal. We can save our consciousness without our body, some kind of iCloud world. So I'm thinking to myself, what will be in the nearest future? And what do you think about it?